How you doing? Tammy now Tillett, and I wanted to bring you a short, hopefully quick video on some new items that we have with Avon. And I'm not sure that you know. Did you know that we now carry a few of the food items? We do. We have cooked rice. This is 100% Korean rice. It's carefully rinsed before cooking. High quality rice with natural nutrients and texture and no preservatives. You peel up this edge right here. You stick it into your microwave for 2 minutes and it is absolutely delicious. Johnny loves it. I love it. I've made it with chicken. I've made it with tomatoes. Whatever you fix rice with or eat it by itself. Um, I have made, so I grew up with my mom making rice pudding. I guarantee you can make the pudding, mix this in with it, and you don't have to worry about cooking the rice because all you do is put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I haven't done that yet. When I do, I'll let you know how it turns out, and I can guarantee it's going to be good. This I have actually been keeping the bows too. This little container, and I'm not one of those people who keep bows from butter and this, that, and the other. Believe me, I throw them away. But this is a sturdy little container, and it's the perfect size for my little granddaughter to have her little snack in or her cereal in, whatever. It's perfect little size for her. But saying that it's little, it's not really that little. I mean, it's almost as big as my head as far as, and it's oh, I'm sure it's probably supposed to be, as far as the American standards, probably 2, 3, 4 servings. But guess what? It's one serving for me, and another bowl. It's one serving, the way we look at it. So, and it is good. Honestly, it's very good. Moving on, we have ramen noodles. Let's see if I can get my camera to work with me here. These are the mild. We also have spicy, which I don't have. And we have cheese ramen. What? I know, right? They're so good. And here's what's funny about it. You get, and the cheese you get for, I think you get the ramen noodles like this come in a 5-pack. And the cheese is a 4-pack. They're They're huge packages. They're nothing like the little ramen noodles you get in the big box store. This is an individual package here from the ramen noodles. I mean, look how big that is. That is, I can now, this is one thing that I cannot eat one whole pack. I cannot. The other, the small packages that you get from the store, I can. And, but this I cannot. This is too much to sit down for one serving to eat. Now, it says mild, and the one thing I will tell you, there are 2 packages. One is a dried vegetable, the other is a seasoning. And the seasoning, even though it says mild, is still a little spicy. So if you, excuse me, are someone who is very sensitive to spicy foods, leave out the chicken, I'm sorry, the beef flavored spicy packet and just use a bouillon cube for whatever flavor you want to use, chicken or beef. I use chicken. I put the vegetable pack in, and then I use a chicken bouillon cube. It's awesome. You can also cook these noodles, excuse me, and use them with spaghetti sauce or with Alfredo sauce. I have seen some of the Avon reps do some amazing, totally amazing dishes with these. It's pretty cool, actually. So again, this is the mild ramen noodles. You get 5 to a pack, and those are the mild. Item number is 378887. Item number 378887. You get 5 in there. The cheese ramen, you get a pack of 4, and they're for $8.50. And they are item number 835249. Item number 835249. Cook rice is item number 835253. Item number 835253, cooked rice, and that is $2.20 for this humongous bowl of cooked rice. Try them out. Anything you get from Avon is guaranteed. If you want to try something for me and you live locally, PM me, call me, text me, just let me know. And comment below on this video, and I'll get a sample to you. I have handed some samples out with some orders so people could try them. So if you try them, you'll like them. You have a great day. Thanks.